Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix HVCI enabled Valorant Windows 11 error. So what you want to do is first come here and right click on your start icon, click here on settings, and then from the left hand panel click on privacy and security. What I need you to do now is I need you to go ahead and click on Windows security, the first option, and then come here, click on device security. Now, what you need to make sure is this one says TPM right here is providing additional encryption for your device. So basically it's enabled. On other devices, what you'll see is something like this. Memory integrity, make sure it's toggled on. Okay, so this one actually helps to prevent attacks. And that will fix your HVCI enabled Valorant issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.